Will you be my safe? Hey guys, welcome back to the island vlog here in Siargao Island. Today I'm here again with Tabia. We are here in the random spot here in Siargao Island. Today we are going to
the Kanijugan Peak.
yes, here guys, see the view. And you can massage here. It's not promotion, but because the view here is so insane. And it's your first time, right?
Yes, that's my first time. I'm excited to see it.
And
I saw a lot of videos. Looks amazing.
and TikTok, like
yeah.
So this is gonna be so nice, guys, because you can do massage here. Look, massage or like like pool, whatever, eating some foods. Yeah. And look at the view, guys, and good weather for today.
Very good.
So we go here like maybe we can walk, like good for exercise here. You see the journey, workout, and you see the journey, to see the view and here the spot. So let's go. So this is the entrance, guys. See, and this is the view. Jungle. Good for exercise because you are good. Oh, you eat a lot of rice. That's why it's good for. So guys, it's so hot now. Hi, bro.
Hello.
Wow, nice hair. Ouch.
What happens if you don't buy me slippers?
Guys, I have no slippers. Can I borrow your slipper? Just for now. No. Come on.
No.
Can I borrow the one? Your half slipper. If you love your boyfriend, you're gonna risk it all.
No.
So guys, it's a good photo sa mga gusto mag-hike, but it's not really like far. It's like 5 minutes walk from the view, and it's so nice here. Sacrifice first before you see the view. Am I right, Tabia? Ay, nice view, guys. Can you take a video? Wait, take me a video for a while because I wanna. It's really hard today. Red water, guys.
Okay.
Red water.
Do you have a tail now or what?
Ay, what is this? So our guest is gonna be important. Drink water before you fall in love with the view. Through fresh coconut from the sea, guys. It's finally after 1 hour. 1 hour joke, guys. We are after like 6 minutes. We are here at the entrance P. How's your feeling now?
I'm sweating. But good.
Guts. Wow. Te. Ayo. Tao. Taas ya. Dito na may? Ano na? Here they have like cold towel. Just like they have, I don't know where's the stuff here, but yeah. It's like put.
There's no one.
There's no already? No. Oy. Maybe because a lot of people today. Come. You see the view. Wala. There's no towel. Welcome to Kanjangwan Peak. Ay. So guys, we are here already. What you can say this view?
Amazing.
Huh?
Show the view.
Oi! The view is underrated. Good view?
Yes.
I like the view. But you know, you are my best view. I love it, guys. Ay. Oh guys, look at the view. Look the other island. You can see the other island here. See that? So, what is your first impression of this view?
So
Amazing.
beautiful. So beautiful.
Ay, so beautiful. Look at the view.
Peaceful.
You can also eat there, you know. Picture, other side. Look. So nature, guys. Next year.
Here, you have ring.
Oi. Practice, guys, practice. Will you be my sister? Did guys, by the way, Tabia, that's really good experience. So yeah, you know, like, would you recommend this view?
Yes.
Look,
Amazing.
would you recommend this for people who want to come to Siargao Island?
Yes. Yes.
It's really nice.
It's really nice.
So you can rate like you can rate this place from 1 to 10 for your own experience.
I would say it's a 10 actually.
Mm-hmm.
The view is so nice. You can like sit here, you can relax, or you can order food or drinks, or you can even get like a massage with the view. So yeah.
Especially the sunset here. It's so
yeah.
beautiful here, yeah, in the afternoon. Yeah. So I'm so happy that you have, discovered this spot.
Yes.
So
Thank you for showing me.
always welcome because you are guests here. So
Yes.
have you tried any foods here?
Here?
Yeah,
No,
like, no.
not yet.
You're full, so you're full.
Yeah, I don't want to eat right now.
Okay. Look at the view, guys. Make sure if you come to Siargao Island, this place is gonna be for you. So, napakaganda. Diba? Chill. You can also like bring your loved ones here. Your baby love to this place, and you can go there and eat or here.